Let's dive into nature's breathtaking phenomena with RAS Nature. At number 10, witness the elusive green flash at sunset. Next, at number 9, we travel to Venezuela for the Catatumbo lightning. At number 8, Jupiter's Great Red Spot reveals a massive storm. Number 7 features Antarctica's Blood Falls, flowing with a striking red hue. At number 6, we see the dramatic red tide in Florida, turning waters vividly red. Number 5 showcases the mysterious sailing stones of Death Valley. At number 4, the Northern Lights in Norway paint the polar skies. Number 3 features Old Faithful's powerful geyser eruptions. At number 2, experience the spectacular volcanic lightning over Mount Etna. Finally, at number 1, the glowing bioluminescent bays in Puerto Rico await. These phenomena remind us of nature's incredible beauty and mystery. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible content.